It's Biomed Cafe menu. Dynein will be presented today. We will talk about dynein discovery, dynein structure, dynein function, and quiz game. I'm Dr. Biomed, cellular and molecular biologist. Hi everybody, welcome to Biomed Cafe channel. In this channel, complex biological and medical contents are presented in a simple, classified, and summarized form. Dynein discovery. They saw something others didn't see. The protein responsible for movement of cilia and flagella, or axonal dynein, was first discovered in 1963. 20 years later, cytoplasmic dynein was identified. Dynein can be divided into two groups: cytoplasmic dynein and axonal or ciliary dynein. Cytoplasmic dynein. Cytoplasmic dynein characteristics. It's a motor protein that is capable of moving along the microtubules. It's ATPase. Its movement is energy consuming. It moves from the positive to the negative end of the microtubule. It carries cargo from the periphery of the cell to the center of the cell, retrograde transport. Cytoplasmic dynein structure. Cytoplasmic dynein has two heavy chain or motor domain in its structure. Each heavy chain has four parts. MTBD, it binds to the microtubule. Coil stalk, it binds in MTBD and head. Head is ATPase domain, and linker, it binds to light intermediate chains. Cytoplasmic dynein has two light intermediate chains in its structure too. They are between heavy chain and intermediate chain. Other parts of cytoplasmic dyneins are two intermediate chains that they bind to the cargo and 1, 2, 3 light chains. Cytoplasmic dynein movement. The name of dynein movement is walking. Type of movement is unidirectional. Passageway is microtubule. Fuel is 1 ATP at each step. ATP binding and ADP release change the conformation of microtubule binding domains. Then change the orientation of the neck linker with respect to the head. Finally, motion of dynein occurs. Cytoplasmic dynein movement steps. Step 1 is post-power stroke. Head is empty. The motor is nucleotide-free. Head rings exist in an open conformation and the MTBD exists in a high affinity state. ADP has released from previous cycle. Step 2. Pre-power stroke 1. ATP in head. When ATP binds to head, it initiates a conformational change into the closed configuration. The MTBD of dynein enters a low affinity state, allowing the motor to move to new binding sites. Step 3. Pre-power stroke 2. ADP plus phosphate in head. Following hydrolysis of ATP, The stalk rotates, moving dynein further along the microtubule. And final step, power stroke, ADP in head. Upon the release of the phosphate, the MTBD returns to a high affinity state and rebind the microtubule, triggering the power stroke. You can see here all the steps of cytoplasmic dynein movement together. Cytoplasmic dynein regulation. It's done by dynactin. Dynactin is the best dynein partner. It can function as a scaffold for other proteins to bind to. It links to cytoplasmic dynein. And it also functions as a recruiting factor that localizes dynein to where it should be. It affects the processivity of dynein. Cytoplasmic dynein function. 1. It helps to position the Golgi complex and other organelles into the cell. 2. It has a role in aligning the chromosomes in the middle of the cell during mitosis. 3. It helps to assemble centrosome. 4. It helps transport cargo needed for the cell function, such as vesicles made by the endoplasmic reticulum, endosomes, and lysosomes. And 5. It positions the spindle at the site of cytokinesis by anchoring on the cell cortex and pulling on astral microtubules emanating from the centrosome. Axonomal dynein. Axonomal dynein characteristics. It's a motor protein that is capable of moving along the microtubules. It's ATPase. Its movement is energy consuming. It's found in cells that have structures like cilia and flagella. It's attached to the doublet microtubules in two continuous rows known as the outer dynein arm or ODA and the inner dynein arm or IDA. Axonomal dynein structure. Axonomal dynein has 2 to 3 non-identical heavy chains in its structure, but 2 or 3 is depending upon the organism and location in the cilium. Heavy chains are motor domain. Each heavy chain has 4 parts. MTBD. It binds to the microtubule. Coil stalk. It binds in MTBD and head. Globular head. Is a donut-shaped structure that has ATP-dependent hydrolysis property and extended tail or stem. It attaches to the neighboring microtubule of the same axoneme. Axonomal dynein has light intermediate chain, and light chain in its structure too. Axonomal dynein movement. Base of dynein binds tightly to an A microtubule in an ATP-independent manner. The large globular heads have an ATP-dependent binding site for a B microtubule. The heads hydrolyze their bound ATP, then they move towards the minus end of the B microtubule. Finally, it's producing a sliding force between the adjacent microtubule doubles. Axonomal dynein regulation. The regulation of axonomal dynein activity is critical for flagellar beat frequency and ciliar waveform. Axonal-dynein regulation can be divided into 4 options. Phosphorylation. The heavy chains of inner and outer arms of axonal-dynein are phosphorylated and dephosphorylated to control the rate of microtubule sliding. Redox. Two redoxins associated with the other axonal-dynein arms are oxidized and reduced to regulate where dynein binds in the axonym. Calcium. Centering and components of the outer axonal-dynein arms detect fluctuations in calcium concentration. Calcium fluctuations play an important role in altering ciliar waveform and flagellar beat frequency. Axonal-dynein function. Number 1. It causes sliding of microtubules in the axonyms of cilia and flagella. Number 2. It is important in the beating of the cilia and flagella. Now I want to compare cytoplasmic dynein with axonal dynein. Cytoplasmic dynein is found in animal and plant cells, but axonal dynein is only found in cells that have structures like cilia and flagella. Cytoplasmic dynein has 2 heavy chains, but axonal dynein has 2 or 3 heavy chains. Heavy chains in cytoplasmic dynein are identical, but heavy chains in axonal dynein are non-identical. Cytoplasmic dynein plays a role in centrosome assembly, organelle transport, help to position organelles and aligning chromosomes, but axonal dynein plays a role in sliding microtubules and beating of the cilia and flagella. Similarities between cytoplasmic dynein and axonal dynein. Both are 2 types of dynein proteins. Both are motor proteins that move along microtubules in the cells. They perform a very important function in the cell. Both proteins are ATP hydrolysis, and despite of small differences, structurally both dynein have large similarities. Now I want to compare dynein with kinesin. Function. Dynein plays role in movement of organelles, chromosomes, and beating of cilia and flagella, but kinesin play roles in intracellular transport. Movement along microtubules. Dynein moves toward minus end of microtubules, but kinesin moves toward plus end of microtubules. Type of transport. Dynein has retrograde transport, but kinesin has anterograde transport. Direction of movement. Dynein carries cargo from periphery to center of the cell, but kinesin carries cargo from center to periphery of the cell. And structure. Dynein has 2 or 3 heavy chain, intermediate, light intermediate, and light chains, but kinesin has 2 heavy chain and 2 light chain. Similarities between dynein and kinesin. They are 2 motor proteins. both move along the microtubules. They aid in material transport within the cell. Both proteins are important in cell division. Both proteins are ATP hydrolysis, and both their movement is unidirectional. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you like the contents of this video, please like it. Now it's time to the quiz game. I have put the link to the quiz game in the description of this video. Download it for free and enjoy it. Until the next video, bye!